Did you know? Most U.S. visa denials happen because of simple mistakes you could have avoided. Avoid these top visa mistakes. Don't let this happen to you. Mistake number 1. Wrong information or incomplete DS-160 details. Even one typo in a name, travel history, or job info can ruin your chances. Mistake number 2. Weak ties to your home country. Remember, the consul wants to see why you'll come back home. Show proof of your ties, job, family, or business. Mistake number 3. Nervous or inconsistent interview answers. Confidence matters as much as your documents. Be honest, be calm, be confident. Want to increase your chances of approval? Download the ACES Visa Toolkit, your step-by-step guide for U.S. visa success. Visa made easy. Download now at acesvisa.com. Follow @AcesVisa for more visa tips.